Blue lace agate, a captivating variety of banded chalcedony, is instantly recognizable. Its gentle sky blue hues, often interwoven with threads of white or gray, evoke a sense of tranquility. These delicate bands, reminiscent of rippling water or ethereal clouds, create a mesmerizing visual effect. Blue lace agate is found in various locations around the world, with significant deposits in Africa and Brazil. Its formation, a result of volcanic activity and mineral-rich waters, contributes to its unique beauty. Each piece of blue lace agate tells a story, its layers whispering tales of ancient landscapes and powerful forces. Whether polished into spheres, carved into intricate shapes, or left in its raw, natural form, blue lace agate retains its captivating charm. Its versatility and affordability make it accessible to all seeking its gentle guidance and soothing vibrations. Blue lace agate, with its intricate patterns and soft hues, is a captivating example of nature's artistry. Composed primarily of silicon dioxide, it belongs to the quartz family, known for its hardness and durability. This makes blue lace agate suitable for various ornamental and practical applications. The stone's signature blue color is attributed to the presence of trace minerals like copper or iron. These impurities, incorporated during the agate's formation, create the distinctive bands of color that make each piece unique. When polished, the stone takes on a subtle sheen, enhancing its natural beauty. Blue lace agate is often found in geodes, hollow rocks lined with crystals. Blue lace agate, beyond its visual appeal, is revered for its potent metaphysical properties. It is believed to be a powerful throat chakra stone, facilitating clear communication and self-expression. Its calming energy helps to soothe anxiety and promote emotional balance. Many cultures associate blue lace agate with peace, serenity, and understanding. Its gentle vibrations can help to dissolve negative thought patterns and promote self-acceptance. Some believe that blue lace agate can strengthen intuition and psychic abilities. In crystal healing, blue lace agate is often used to alleviate stress, reduce anger, and promote tranquility. Its soothing energy can also help to ease insomnia and promote restful sleep. The gentle energy of blue lace agate makes it an ideal stone for daily use. Wearing blue lace agate jewelry is believed to promote calmness and clarity throughout the day. Carrying a small, tumbled stone in your pocket or purse can serve as a tangible reminder to stay grounded and centered. Placing blue lace agate around the home or office can create a more harmonious and peaceful environment. Using blue lace agate during meditation can enhance spiritual awareness and deepen your connection to your intuition. Whether you choose a piece of jewelry, a decorative object, or simply a raw stone, blue lace agate serves as a beautiful reminder of the power of peace and tranquility. Blue lace agate is believed to offer a range of benefits for both the mind and body. Its calming energy is said to help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. It is also thought to aid in the healing of sore throats, thyroid imbalances, and headaches. Some believe that blue lace agate can help to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. The stone's association with the throat chakra suggests that it can also be beneficial for communication disorders and speech impediments. Its gentle energy encourages self-reflection, emotional balance, and a deeper connection to one's inner wisdom. Blue lace agate, with its captivating beauty and gentle energy, has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. Its serene blue hues evoke a sense of peace and tranquility, while its intricate patterns speak to the artistry of nature. More than just a beautiful stone, blue lace agate is believed to hold a powerful energy that can enhance communication, promote emotional balance, and inspire creativity. Whether you are drawn to its metaphysical properties, its aesthetic appeal, or simply its calming presence, blue lace agate offers a unique and enriching experience. As you hold a piece of blue lace agate, allow yourself to connect with its soothing energy and embrace the peace that it offers. Whether used in jewelry, meditation, or simply as a decorative element, blue lace agate serves as a constant reminder of the beauty and power that reside within the natural world.